Cuisine. Bavarian cuisine is hearty and flavorful, reflecting the region's agricultural heritage. Some iconic dishes include Weißwurst, a traditional Bavarian sausage made from minced veal and pork back bacon, flavored with parsley, lemon, mace, onions, ginger, and cardamom. Pretzels. Soft, doughy pretzels are a staple in Bavarian cuisine, often enjoyed with mustard and beer. Schweinshaxe, a roasted pork knuckle, typically served with sauerkraut and potato dumplings. Bavarian Cream, a rich dessert made from milk, eggs, sugar, and gelatin, often flavored with vanilla.